back to Mike's Double Edge. It's another shout out Friday. I have 4 more picks for you. Let's get into them. First one is William Cox, djchubbs. I watch his stuff. It's really great. If you don't follow him already or subscribe to him, go to his channel, subscribe, click on that little notification bell because he's got some good content and he's a hell of a nice guy. Then go over to his Instagram page and do the same thing. Follow him. Make sure you get updates from him because he's cool. He's on YouTube and Instagram, I believe. Yeah. But yeah, go over, follow him. I've been watching his stuff. It's really cool. He used to have a beard. Then he shaved it off. And he's been shaving his face ever since then, but now he wants his beard back. So now he's just going to do a head shave. But it's a shave either way, a wet shave. I enjoy his stuff. So, next one. Chris Marsh. Oh, I think I'm saying your name right. He's got a YouTube channel called Shave and Chat. Shave _chat. And he's also on Instagram. He's got some cool stuff there. He's still pretty new at this. Or I'm newer than him. I think he's been on longer than I have, but not by much. But yeah, go give him some love too. He's a nice guy as well. Next one is Bamaboyshaving. He's also got a YouTube channel, Bamaboyshaving, and Instagram. Go look him up. I'll have all these links in the description again. So go check him out. He's got some cool videos. I think he's more of a straight razor guy. So yeah, go check him out. I've watched a couple of his. Seem pretty cool. And he shaves in looks like different locations. That has like really cool murals behind him on the wall and stuff. So yeah, go check him out. The last one for today is the Rusty Shaver. He's another Iowa guy like me. At Rusty Razor Original. Sorry, it's the Rusty Razor. There you go. He's got a YouTube channel. Don't know if he's got an Instagram, but he's a nice older fella. I watched some of his videos and he's got some good stories sometimes. Suggest go checking him out too if you haven't already. But that was my 4 shout outs for this Friday. Go give them a check out if you haven't already. Like I said, I'll have their links in the description, mostly to their YouTube channels. So yeah. So last night I actually got out of the ER for really bad migraines that was going on for like a few days. I'm back out last night. It's not as bad. It went from like a 8 to down to a 1 or 2. And right now it's at like a 1. So they pumped me full of meds. I passed all the neurological tests. So they rooted out a lot of the bad stuff. They're like, it's a slight chance it still could happen. Like, stroke or brain bleed or anything, but it's a slight chance. And the way I passed the little test they gave me, they don't see that being the problem. So they want me to check into a migraine clinic apparently near me and see if I can get treated for more migraine stuff in the future, if that makes sense. I guess there's preventative stuff out there that helps it. This isn't my first time with bad migraines. I've had it in the past. So hopefully we can get this figured out and hopefully be more migraine free. And I'll definitely have to go to a chiropractor too. I've never been to one. But besides me rambling on, go check out these channels. I know you'll like them. So for today, that was the Friday shout out. I hope you enjoy and see you later. Bye.